Welcome to Firebase hosting tutorial. In this playlist, we are going to host a website using Firebase. So what is Firebase? Firebase is a backed by Google. It is a built on Google infrastructure and it will scales automatically. Okay, so it Firebase as a whole is known as backend as a service, means you can use all the services provided by Firebase without creating own server. Okay, so Firebase are providing different services like cloud firestore, machine learning kit, then cloud function, authentication, hosting, cloud storage, real-time database. Okay, we can so Firebase provide all the services. Now in order to create in order to host a website using Firebase, go to firebase.google.com and sign in. Once you sign in, okay, go to your console. It will create a backend for your project. Okay, so just click on go to console. Once you click on go to console, it will come to the backend. Now here we have to create a project, so just click on project. Okay, give your name, for example web hosting, whatever you want to give a name. Okay, continue. Then it will ask for, I want to disable this, create project. So it will create a first project for you. Okay, so it will provide or it will give access to the your control panel of your project. Okay, where we can see a different type of services provided by Firebase. Okay, so when we are hosting our website using Firebase, okay, it will run under a, or it will provide a secure HTTPS connection. Okay, so you are hosting your website with HTTPS. Okay, so now our project is ready. Click on continue. Okay, so now here you can see different type of services provided by Firebase, like authentication. We can do authentication, database storage, website hosting, cloud functions, and machine learning kit. You can watch out your project setting by clicking on setting, and you can see different setting available for your project. Now we are going to host a website, so we are going to click on hosting. Now here click on get started. So now it will ask for to install a Firebase CLI. Okay, now in order to install your Firebase, we have to write a command, that is npm install -g firebase -tools. Okay, now what is npm? So the npm is a node package manager, and in order to use it you have to install a node.js. It will use to install different packages. So just go to node.js and install your node.js. Okay, I have already installed it. If you don't know what is node.js, no need of node.js in website hosting. We need just npm command to install your Firebase. Okay, so once you install, just type a command node -v. Okay, it will give the version of your node.js. I have already installed. Okay, so now we are going to write this command, that is in our Firebase in order to install Firebase tool. So the command is npm. Now we are installing a global version, means we can access any in any directory. So npm install -g firebase -tools. Okay, so it is going to install Firebase tools. I have already installed, I think. Let's see. So what is Firebase tools? Actually Firebase tools is a package. So with the help of Firebase tool, whatever we are going to perform in a locally on our computer, later on we can deploy a directory or the source code or your website to your Firebase backend. So for that we have to use Firebase CLI. Okay. Now it will take some time to install, so just wait. Okay, once it is installed, now we are going to do a login. Okay, so Firebase login. Yes. Now it is going to ask some question. Allow Firebase to collect CLI usage and error reporting information. It's up to you. Okay, whether you want to yes or no. So I will go with us. Now it will ask for sign in. Okay, I have already signed in. Just do allow. Okay, now Firebase CLI login successful. Okay, so once it's login, again you can check login user. So once again I am going to type Firebase login, then it will give login as a Firebase host tutorial@gmail.com. Okay, so now in next video we will discuss about Firebase init that will use to initialize your Firebase CLI environment. Okay, thank you.